Welcome back to the second part of our guide to launching a business on a shoestring budget. We discussed some key procedures in the first section, like offering your services and comprehending legal needs. We're about to go into the next set of vital sections that will advance your company. Let's begin immediately. Step 5 Business Organization. Step 5 focuses on choosing the appropriate structure, a crucial part of starting a firm. This choice establishes the rules for how your company will run and be taxed. Let's explore the possibilities. You have a number of possibilities for business structures, each with its own advantages and factors to take into account. Let's look more closely. Self-employed. We must first be self-employed. This is the most basic form, and it indicates that you are the company. Although you have complete control and are entitled to all earnings, you are also legally and financially liable for all obligations. Partnership. The sole proprietorship and partnership arrangements are the next. Even though you can employ others, you are still a single owner in a sole trader arrangement. In a partnership, 2 or more people share ownership and duties. These organizational models allow you greater decision-making and financial flexibility, but keep in mind that you and your partners are personally responsible for any business debts. Limited company structure. We have a limited business structure at the end. Because it is a separate legal entity from its owners, personal assets are better protected. Private limited corporations, limited, and public limited companies, PLC, are the 2 varieties. Limited corporations have greater legitimacy and room for expansion, but they also come with more administrative burdens. Which one then is best for you? Take into account your business objectives, the amount of control you desire, and the possible dangers you are prepared to accept. Step 6 The business plan. A successful business is built on a solid business plan. It's more than just a piece of paper, it's your success roadmap. The template for your business enterprise is a well-written business plan. It describes your objectives, approaches, and the course you'll take to reach them. It functions as a compass to help you navigate the world of entrepreneurship. Here are some essential elements of a business plan you ought to take into account. 1. Initial mission statement. This is the main reason for your company's existence. Every decision is motivated by the beating of the heart. 2. Vision statement. It serves as a vivid image of the future you want. What long-term goals do you have for your company? 3. Target market analysis. Recognize your clients, their wants, and the ways in which your company may meet those needs. 4. Competitive analysis. Determine your rivals' advantages and weaknesses so you can outperform them. 5. Marketing and sales strategy. What is your plan for promoting and disseminating your goods and services? What channels are you going to use? Keep in mind that your business plan doesn't have to be a sophisticated document. It should emphasize content over presentation. Prioritize information that is brief, clear, and useful. Step 7. Startup funding. We're now delving deeply into the world of startup financing. When you don't have any money, starting a business and finding a place to get it is the hardest part. Any company needs 2 things. First, it requires more of your time and effort than money. So don't let a lack of starting money stop you. There are a variety of inventive ways to launch your firm. Let's investigate them. Although it may seem difficult, starting a business with little to no money up front is entirely feasible. Let's have a look at some alternative funding options that can help you to launch your business. 1. Crowdfunding. Websites like Indiegogo and Kickstarter let you share your company concept with a large audience. Small contributions from individuals might be combined to provide the necessary funding. 2. Grants. There are many grants available for aspiring business owners, particularly those with original or socially significant concepts. Research grants that are pertinent to your field or target audience. 3. Bootstrapping. Refers to financing your company totally out your personal savings or earnings from the firm. It necessitates prudent money management and the ranking of critical expenses. Step 8. Finding your first customer. Welcome to the final section, where we'll discuss getting your first customers, a crucial phase in starting your business. Here, all of your efforts begin to bear fruit. Finding your first customers can be exciting and difficult. Let's look at some efficient methods for drawing attention to your company. 1. Networking. Go to trade shows, lectures, or even online meetups. It's a great method to network with potential customers and other industry experts. 2. Making use of social media. Sites like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn are effective tools for promoting your company. Build a community around your brand by interacting with and educating your audience. 3. Marketing techniques that are cost-effective. Take into account strategies like content marketing, email marketing, and SEO. These techniques don't need a big budget, but they can provide meaningful outcomes. There you have it, then. You have the tools to begin your entrepreneurial adventure. From starting with little to no money to comprehending regulations, creating a strong company plan, and locating your first clients. Thank you for joining me in this adventure. Remember, every step takes you closer to your dream of owning a thriving enterprise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this video helpful.